Hey, we're going to be doing page 33 today for Tuesday. So this is very similar to what we did yesterday, except on this page, you need to write both the mixed number and the improper fraction. And they give you a drawing for each one, so you really can just count them up. You don't have to do too much of the math quite yet, as far as what we were doing before, but so let's just count them up. Okay, so here's an example. This shape plus this shape equals what? And this is a little different because on the worksheet you'll notice they actually have missing pieces. But you know, you can tell how much is missing. Oh yeah, it's one piece that's missing. And in this case, I just didn't color them in, but here they actually kind of make you think about, oh well, how many do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, so it's going to be 9 ninths plus 9 ninths plus 4 ninths for number B, letter B. Let's look at this one. Okay, so this piece is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pieces. 8 out of 8. This piece is 1, 2, 3 out of 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, to find the improper fraction, I could just add them up and let the number be really big up top. So I know it's an eighths. We're talking about eighths, right? Eighths plus eighths equal eighths. But how many eighths? Well, here we have 8. We have all of them. And here we have 3. So 8 plus 3 is 11. Just solved it. Improper fraction right here. It's not proper. See how this number is so big up and it's bigger than that number? It's not proper. That's why it's called improper fraction. Improper fraction. Let's do the mixed number now. Okay, so mixed number means you have a whole number and a fraction. So how many wholes do I have? Well, notice how here I've got the whole thing. So I've got one whole. 8/8 is also known as a whole, 1. So I've got the whole thing. So I have one whole, well, that's whole with a W, plus, what do we have over here? Oh yeah, 3/8. So it equals 1 and 3/8. 1 and 3/8. That's the mixed number. So, just for this, you write down the mixed number and then you write down the improper fraction. So that's all you're doing here. And I think that's probably all I really need to tell you at this point. Maybe actually, since I have your attention, I'm just going to show you, like, I think you can do this, but I'm just going to show you one time, just so you see this one more time, how you might turn an improper fraction into a mixed number if you just saw if you just saw the improper fraction. So if you just saw that I had, let's say 5/3, here's what I would do. I could draw it out if I wanted to. So I could draw like, okay, I've got 3/3, and I've got 5/3, and now what I get. What I want to think about when I turn improper fractions into mixed numbers is how many wholes are in there. Because remember, a mixed number is like 1 1/2 or 2 1/3. So how many holes are in there? So first you pull out as many holes as you can. Okay, I've got one hole. Can I pull out another one? Nope, because I only have 5 total. So okay, I've got 3/3. And now I need this top number to equal 5, because I know these are going to be thirds. So I pulled out one hole, 3/3, and now what's left over? Well, 3 plus what equals 5? 3 plus 2. So, below it, I'll write, okay, I know 3/3 is also known as 1, and I know 2/3 could just be written like that. 1 and 2/3. And see that? 1 and 2/3. So just kind of get used to what it looks like, or if I had 4 1/3, I'd be like, oh, well, I can pull out one whole, and now what's left over? 3 plus what equals 4? 1. So it equals 1 1/3. So I'm just going to show you that just so you can kind of see it one more time, and we'll be doing some of that later on. All right, but for today, all you need to do is just page 33, and you can see the pictures here, so it's going to be easier than what I just did.